Mountains don't ask for anything, they just heal everything. The cure for tired souls lies in places like these.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ನಿಲ್ಲದಿರು, ಮನೆಯನೆಂದೂ ಕಟ್ಟದಿರು, ಕೊನೆಯನೆಂದೂ ಮುಟ್ಟದಿರು, ಓ ಅನಂತವಾಗಿರು. ಓ ನನ್ನ ಚೇತನ, ಆಗು ನೀ ಅನಿಕೇತನ.
This is Kudremukha, the horse face, a peak in the Western Ghats of Karnataka. This is where the trek begins and the noise ends. This is not just a trek, it's a passage through one of the oldest living ecosystems on the planet, the Western Ghats. This is a biodiversity hotspot, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The climb is steady, a constant dialogue between breath and effort, and with every meter gained, the world you left behind feels a little smaller. The real magic is in the details, the slow motion of nature. It forces you to match its pace, to stop, to look closer. This is where the mind unwinds. The higher you climb, the lighter you feel. The mountains don't ask you to hurry. It asks you to look around, to pause, to listen. Every bend hides a surprise. Sometimes a stream, sometimes a steep climb, sometimes nothing but silence. with it at its pace. We come to these places to remember our scale, to be humbled, to be quieted, and to carry a little of that silence back with us.